Hello students, today we shall study a very interesting topic, that is the active and passive voice. But before starting the topic, I request you all to kindly like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So before starting the concept, I hope you have gone through the previous video of transitive and intransitive verb. And if you have not gone through the video and not understood it, I request you to kindly understand and also see the video transitive and intransitive verb, because it forms the base of active and passive words. So now let us start with the topic, active voice. The word active voice here, it itself indicates what actually it is about. Here active means a person who is actively involved. So here the subject, that is the doer of an activity, he is actively involved in some activity. So here what happens here, the features are the subject remains active and the subject is the doer. He actually is performing the activity and therefore the stress is laid on the subject. Let us understand with the example. Example, Ramesh eats mango. So here Ramesh is subject, eats is verb and mango is the object. So the work, the activity being done is of eating. So who's eating? Ramesh. And what is Ramesh eating? Mango. So here who's doing the activity? Ramesh. Who's eating? Ramesh. So Ramesh is actively involved in the activity. So therefore we can say as he's actively involved, it is an active voice sentence. So now let us understand what is passive voice. Passive voice, the word itself indicates passive means inactive. So here the subject remains inactive or passive. So therefore the stress is not laid on the subject but it is laid on the object. Let us understand with a similar kind of example. Example, mango is eaten by him. So what happens here is that in the passive voice there is an interchange of subject and object. The subject and object which were there in the active voice sentence, in the passive we interchange them. Okay, so mango comes in the place of subject and the Ramesh, it goes and takes the place of the object. So again the activity is of eating. So what is being eaten? Mango. So here we are laying emphasis not on Ramesh but on mango. Mango is being eaten. And who is eating? By him. Here instead of Ramesh we have written him because we are least bothered whether it is Ramesh, Suresh or Lata. Okay, so we have written just him because we know that the subject is not active. Here emphasis is laid on mango. So this is a passive voice sentence. We'll further understand the topic with the help of the given example. So let us see the examples. The first example, Radha drank mango shake. So here the subject is Radha, verb is drank and the object is mango shake. So what happens here? The activity is being done is of drinking. And who's doing the activity? Who's the doer? Radha. And what Radha is doing? She is drinking mango shake. So let us find out whether the effect of the activity, is it falling on the object? Yes, the effect of the activity is falling on the object because the mango shake is getting finished. So therefore here the drank becomes the transitive verb. So see the very interesting thing. This sentence, Radha drank mango shake, it is an active voice sentence because Radha is actively involved, and it is also a transitive verb because the effect of the activity is falling on the object. So now let us see the second example. Radha drank greedily. So here the subject is Radha, verb is drank and object is greedily. So who is doing the activity of drinking? Again Radha. So we can say that Radha is actively involved, therefore it is an active voice sentence. But now let us find out whether this verb drank, whether the effect of this activity is falling on the object. So with the given example, Radha drank greedily, we are not able to find out whether the effect of the activity, that is of drinking, is passed on to the object. Okay, because simply it is written greedily, so we are not able to find out. So therefore here the drank becomes the intransitive verb. So here we should remember that Radha, as she is actively doing, it's an active voice sentence, but here the verb is intransitive verb. So my dear students, please pay a very important you can say information that I'm sharing with you. The thing is that only and only active voice sentences having transitive verb, it can be converted into passive voice sentence. Any active voice sentence having intransitive verb, it cannot be converted into passive voice sentence at any cost. So here the second sentence, Radha drank greedily, as it is having intransitive verb, it won't be converted into passive. So here we are converting the first part, Radha drank mango shake. So now let's see the passive voice sentence. So what we have done is that the subject and the object, Radha and mango shake, they have interchanged their positions. So mango shake has come in front and Radha at the end of the sentence. So what has happened? Mango shake was drunk by her. So here in the passive voice sentence, we are laying emphasis on the object, that is mango shake, and the subject, which was Radha, we are least bothered about her. Okay, whether the mango shake was drunk by Radha, Sita, Geeta or Ramesh, we are least bothered. So as the subject is inactive, and therefore we are laying emphasis on mango shake. So when the subject is inactive, we can say it is a passive voice sentence. Clear? So now let us come to the second sentence. We cut fruits and vegetables. So here the subject is we, and what activity is being done? Cutting, and the object is fruits and vegetables. So the activity cut is being done, and who is performing? We. So who are the subject? Who are the doer? We are the doer, and what we are doing? We are cutting. What we are cutting? Fruits and vegetables. So as we are actively involved in some activity of cutting, therefore it is a active voice sentence. But now let us try to find out whether the activity being done, whether the verb used is transitive or intransitive. So let us find out here the effect of activity cut. Is it falling on the fruits and vegetables? Yes. What actually is happening? The fruits and vegetables are being cut. So this is a transitive verb sentence. So it is an active voice sentence having a transitive verb. So now let us see the second part. We cut hurriedly. So here again the subject is we, verb is cut, and hurriedly is the object. So what is the subject doing? So we, the subject, we are doing an activity, but the effect of the activity, is it passing on to the object? No. Here we are not able to find out. So therefore here the cut is intransitive verb, and the subject we is active voice. So here we have an active voice sentence having intransitive verb. So now let us find out the passive voice sentence. Remember what I have told you. Only and only an active voice sentence having transitive verb can be converted into passive voice, and the active voice sentence having intransitive verb, it cannot be converted into passive voice. So here the passive voice sentence, I told you in the beginning, what happens in the passive? The subject and the object, they interchange the position. The subject which was there, subject and object which were there in the active voice sentence, they interchange the position. So here what has happened? The fruits and vegetables, they come at the start of the sentence, in the beginning of the sentence, and we has been converted into us and is coming at the end of the sentence. So what happens? The sentence is fruits and vegetables were cut by us. So the activity done is cut, but here we are laying emphasis on fruits and vegetables. What was being cut? The fruits and vegetables. So we are laying emphasis on the object. And what happens to the subject? We are least bothered about the subject, whether it is us, them or anyone. Okay, so this is, we can see that the subject, it has become inactive, it has become passive. So now let us further understand with the help of the third example. The children flew kites. So here the children, they become subject, flew, it becomes a verb, and kites is an object. So now what work is being done? Fly. Okay, and who is doing the work? The children. Children, they are involved in some activity. So they are, so we can see it is an active voice sentence, but here the verb is flew. So let us find out whether the effect of this activity, is it passed on, or it is being or the effect is being on the object or not. Let us try to find out. So here we find that the effect of the activity has come onto the object kites, because the kites, they are changing the position, they are going up in the sky. So the effect is of this activity fly, it's coming on the object. So we can say this flew is a transitive verb, right? So it is an active voice sentence having a transitive verb. We have written TV, TV means transitive verb, and IV means intransitive verb. That's a short form, right? So don't get confused. The second part is the children flew fearfully. So here again the subject is the children, activity is flew, so it becomes a verb, and object is fearfully. So actually the subject, that is the children, are they doing some activity? Yes, they are doing the activity. They are flying. So again it is an active voice sentence. And what verb is there? Flew. But whether this verb, the effect of this verb is coming onto the object, let us see the sentence. Here we find out that the effect of the verb, it is not passed on to the object. Here we cannot find out with this given sentence. So we can say that this flew is intransitive verb or IV. So it becomes an active voice sentence having an intransitive verb. Now let us try to find out the passive voice sentence. Again I have told you, only and only the active voice sentence having transitive verb can be converted into passive voice. Okay, and the active voice sentence having intransitive verb, it cannot be converted into passive voice at any cost. So when we are converting it into passive, when you are converting the active voice sentence into passive, what happens? The subject and the object interchange their position. So here the subject was the children and object was the kites. So they are interchanged the position. The kites, it has come in the beginning, and the children, it has come in the end of the sentence. So the sentence becomes, the kites were flown by them. So what was being flown? The kites. So here we are laying stress on what? We are laying stress on the object. Okay, the kites. Okay, and the subject, the children which were there. Here we are not laying emphasis on them. So we have used the word them. Whether it's them or them, whatever you can say, we can write anything. Here we are not talking about a particular children. It can be adults, it can be women. Okay, here we are laying stress on the kites. So we can say that this is a passive voice sentence, because the subject, children, they have become inactive or passive. So students, if you have liked my video, if you have understood the concept of active and passive voice, I request you to kindly like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon, because if you press the bell icon, you would be receiving the regular updates. So again, in a short recap, let us again try to sum up. Active voice sentence, the subject is active, stress is laid on subject, so it is active voice sentence. In passive voice, the object becomes prominent, stress is laid on object, not on the subject. As the subject is inactive, you can say it is a passive voice sentence. And when we are converting an active voice sentence into passive voice, we should keep into consideration one important fact, that an active voice sentence having transitive verb can only be converted into passive voice sentence, and an active voice sentence having intransitive verb cannot be converted into passive voice. Transitive verb means where the effect of the activities has passed on to the object. So that's a transitive verb. So I hope you have understood the concept of active and passive voice, and in the next coming video we would be dealing with the rules regarding how to convert an active voice sentence into passive voice sentence. So please watch all the videos and don't miss. Thank you.